Good day guys, and welcome to another video. I'm really excited about this one because I was just shopping around in the supermarket and I came across some. Alright guys, I'm here in Hilo and look what I found. It's a Veg Out home-style Dhal Rotis. Alright, I'll try it. Here it is. Are we seeing that? Veg Out home-style Dhal Roti. Split peas rotis. Trinidadians will not say split peas roti. It's called this Dhalpuri. So I know of this company. It's actually a local Jamaican brand, Veg Out. They make vegetarian dishes, of course. And I think that it is Dhalpuri. The term Dhalpuri is not too known in Jamaica. So that's why they want to be specific, split peas roti. But I'm really excited as a Trinidadian who cannot make roti. I'm sorry, I can't. When my daughter is here, we make roti, we make Dhalpuri. I'm sure I have videos of it you guys can check out. I'm just so excited about this. I'm going to try this out for you guys and give you a verdict. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up and see what is involved. Ready in minutes, Veg Out home style Dhal Rotis. Or as I said in Trinidad, Dhalpuri. Okay, let's turn it around. Wait, it's saying here that it has to let it thaw out for 15 to 20 minutes. My God, I'm so hungry. But I guess I'll have to wait. But let's open it up anyway and see what's inside. Alright, get rid of that. I'm just going to cut it open. I'm thinking that'll just be easier. Oh, here is the chutney. Nice. Put that there. And here is the rotis. And it does look like Dhalpuri. Wow. So it's 6 pieces, 2 bags, 6 pieces, 3 in each. Now in Trinidad, when we make Dhalpuri, it's usually a bigger roti. But I understand, you can't really sell rotis that big unless you fold it. And I'm guessing for reheating purposes, not folding it is better. And I'm just going to follow the instructions as they say and leave for 15 to 20 minutes for this to thaw out. And it is fully thawed out. When I took it out of the box, it was pretty solid. Now it's very pliable, both. They did say on the back of the box we need a frying pan, but I have one better. I have a tower. Alright, I have the tower here hotting. I don't know how to... Jesus Christ! It's hot. So let me, they say I have to put some oil. Let me do that. And when you're making Dhalpuri, you do have to use oil. So this is not a surprising step. And I was worried because while in the pack, and I looked at it, I wasn't really seeing the peas. But when you look at it here, you could actually see the dal, yellow split peas in it. So yeah. It's actually fall off and that looks like Dhalpuri roti. After this is heated up, you just put it on. So they say to leave it for a few minutes, let it cook. Let me turn this over. Have the trusty dabbler, of course. So it does seem that when it comes frozen, it's actually fully cooked. And this is more just heating it up. Well, that's what I'm guessing. Is the builder, is the builder. The builder is the husband tamer. Builder you want. Alright, so I made one already and this is the second one. I'm going to make up a few, then I'm going to try it out. I am so hungry and it does seem to be cooking and it's way more light and tender like a real Dhalpuri. So yeah, check it out, it looks pretty good. So I made all 6, there are 6 pieces inside of the box. Now there are 2 ways I grew up eating Dhalpuri. Like I was one of the people believe that Dhalpuri does taste real good, stale. Now this kind of come pre-packaged still, right? But what I mean is if you cook Dhalpuri one day and you put it in the fridge, you take it out and hot it up on the tower, which is similar to this, right? You could just roll either just or no. You know, Dhalpuri because of the dal, you don't need no to carry, really. So I'm going to test it the first way first, which is I'm just going to roll this up and eat it with some pepper sauce, how I used to do when I was small. Let me try this way. We have the Dhalpuri, I cannot break it, it's hot in bottom of my hand. And we have the pepper sauce here. Let's take it like this, just tasting like Dhalpuri. It's an okay Dhalpuri. It's not like the Dhalpuri from back home that fresh and you now eat. You can definitely tell this was frozen for some time and then you reheat it. But it does taste okay. Curry chicken and chana. And I'm going to try it right here. Eat it. I can't wait. You know the curry and the pepper and whatnot. They're really making it taste like Dhalpuri. So yeah, I will give it a thumbs up. Now again, that thumbs up is understanding that it will never taste like fresh Dhalpuri from back home. It's a frozen product, so come with that expectations. But it's good to have this in Jamaica. You know what I mean? Especially for somebody like me who can't cook roti. Alright, as you saw, I followed all the instructions on the back and I must say, it came out pretty well. Again, I have to reiterate, you cannot compare this to a homemade Dhalpuri or like a Dhalpuri you'll get in a roti shop in Trinidad fresh. Nothing will never beat that. My mother-in-law from Trinidad, may she rest in peace, we lost her last year. She made a melt in your mouth Dhalpuri. And this for sure is not a melt in your mouth Dhalpuri, but it still tastes good. As you guys saw, it looks like a Dhalpuri. You could actually see the dal with the flour, and I ate it with the takari I made with the curry chicken and chana, and it was pretty good. I enjoyed it. For a moment there, I felt I was back home in Trinidad eating. For someone like me who can't make roti, I really appreciate this product. Veg Out, Dhalpuri, or as they have it here, home style Dhal Rotis. It's a definite thumbs up for me. So look out for this in your grocery stores in Jamaica. It's pretty good. All right, and that's it. So thanks so much, guys. I really appreciate all the support and you guys watching these videos. Be sure to check out all my other videos on the channel, all the interaction, leave comments. I really do appreciate it. I do have another one of these videos coming up. You will not believe what I also found in the supermarket, and I tested out for you. So I hope you look forward to that. As always, thanks for watching. Remember to like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.